Hi, Cindy. My little boy. What? Are you pretty boy? Pretty boy, Simbi. You waiting for the chickadees? You're not gonna get them. There they are. Right up in there. Oh yeah. There's the yard. And Peter's tomato plants. And basil. More tomato plants. And my little herb garden. Lots of herbs in there. And our hot tub. And here comes himself, wanting to check things out. And our National Geographic transmitter.